only one that's been craving red beans and rice. Oh my gosh, look at that, with some wings. I got some smothered red beans here with some smothered ham hocks. Look at that. Oh my goodness, we about to take a bite. I got some cornbread in here as well as some rice. And this is the ham hock right here. And don't come for me, because the ham hock gives the red beans flavor. If you're from the South, you know, okay? So we got the sausages in here. Okay, so I'm about to dig in so I can let y'all see this with the cornbread, red beans, and all that. Let's see. Y'all, it's so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This tastes so good. This is the ham hock. Now you don't have to put the ham hocks in it, but I like mine to have flavor, so this is good. This is really good. Look at that. Ooh, y'all want a bite? It's a bite. Let me get some of that cornbread. I'm gonna take a bite of this wing, fried chicken wing. So do y'all love smothered red bean and rice? This tastes better than Popeyes, baby. And that's the only red beans I will eat. Is Popeyes. And it better not be runny. It better be thick. It better be hugging my back. Look at that. It's so good. Y'all want some more reviews? Some more taste tests? Follow for more.